Hi Rick. So in this issue, when I add a new lead form with the sections and image in the section title, so I'll just browse one image. And I'll select a couple of fields. So when I click on save, it is showing this error. And it works in edit, like if I open existing form and try to add a section with the image, it works. So for example, here if I add see, this got saved. So for new form it is showing this error, and for existing lead forms it is the section is getting saved. That's the issue. Thank you.